play with those, my nieces and nephews. Looking outside right now, we have a fair amount of cloud cover, but it's thin cloud cover for the moment. The full moon is still shining through those clouds as we look out from Smithfield and Johnston County. Not much of a breeze stirring around, which is good because it's chilly, 39 degrees. The wind is going to pick up and out of a cool direction, the northeast. That's going to keep the clouds in place. It's going to allow the clouds to thicken, and it's going to keep the cool air trapped in place. 37 right now from Carter-Finley Stadium, 36 degrees officially in Raleigh, also 36 in Durham and Chapel Hill. Not much variation around the triangle. Everybody in the mid to upper 30s. We slide farther south, and well, you're a little less cold. Low 40s right now around Cumberland County, 42 degrees in Fayetteville, Eastover and Stedman, 40 on the nose in Hope Mills, and 41 degrees on post at Fort Bragg. Our dog of the day, a sweet-looking pup named Bristol. Thank you to Jeanette, Bristol's human, for sharing that picture with us. One more day of okay dog walking weather. Yesterday's dog walking weather was great. We warmed up to the low 60s. Today will be significantly cooler, but still dry through most of the day. Despite the increase in clouds overhead, layer up and get your fur friends out for a walk because the rain chances increase overnight, and as that rain runs into some cold air, we could be talking about some wintry precipitation, especially northwest of the triangle. Temperatures today are going to be cool everywhere, only up into the low 40s, maybe mid 40s farther south by noon, and not going too far from there. We're talking mid to upper 40s for highs later on today. That is well below average even for the middle of February, and with temperatures dropping to around freezing tonight, that's the problem. For most of the day, just increasing clouds. We're still dry by the middle of the afternoon, but there's the moisture up to our west and southwest. That's going to be heading our way as we head into this evening, with the chance of showers in the Sandhills to around Fayetteville, maybe even the southern coastal plain as the sun goes down. The rest of us staying dry until later in the evening, but as that moisture continues to run into the cold air, especially farther north, that's when we bring in the potential for a little bit of sleet, then changing over to freezing rain as we head through the early morning hours tomorrow. Kind of a brief window for that to accumulate, which is why we're talking about such light amounts, and then just cold rain throughout the day tomorrow. It is going to be an unpleasant day, but cold rain is a lot easier to navigate your way through than that sleet or freezing rain or even the potential for snow. That's mostly going to be off to our north as we head through the majority of the day tomorrow, and then gradually that slug of moisture is going to move off to the northeast. Will briefly dry out. There's more rain in the forecast as we head through Thursday and Friday. In terms of our odds of adding up, enough ice to be a problem, anything more than a trace, more than 1/100th of an inch, which is just a thin layer of ice, it's only a 10 to 20% chance for Raleigh. It goes up to about a 30% chance for Durham and Chapel Hill. Those numbers go up a lot more, up to about a 50-50 chance of enough ice to cause some problems on the bridges and overpasses for northern Orange County, for Person County, Mecklenburg County, even up into Vance County and farther northern Durham County as well. The best chance of more significant problems, power outages, that's going to be in the mountains of western Virginia and western North Carolina, but just enough ice to be a concern around here. Tomorrow's our alert day. We'll keep an eye on all the latest trends for you as we head through the next 24 hours. Cold rain throughout the day tomorrow. Then we warm up a little bit on Thursday, but with more rain in the forecast Thursday and Friday and Saturday, maybe even into early Sunday before we clear out and warm up a little bit for a couple of days. Looking forward to that. 70 on Sunday.
Oh my goodness, me too.
Trying to be brave and put 70 degrees in the 6th day of the 7-day forecast.
That will feel amazing.
Yes.
After
especially
tomorrow.
If it's dry. Yeah.
Yeah. Today at least we can get to work without any problems.
Right.
Yeah, this morning you guys will be fine.